Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the podcast where English is easy, fun, and a little bit chaotic in a good way. If you're new here, I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Help your friends level up their English with you. Learning is always better with friends.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most common words in English. It's small, but it's super powerful. The word is take.
Take is everywhere in English. You hear it in movies, in songs, at work, at school, on the street, everywhere. If you understand take, your English becomes much more natural.
But take is a little crazy. It doesn't have just one meaning, it has many different meanings. So today, we're going to help you understand the most common ways to use take in real life.
We're going to give you lots of short, easy conversations. The level is for beginners, so don't worry, you can do this.
And remember, don't just listen for the meaning, listen for the feeling. Ask yourself, how does take feel in this sentence? What is the idea behind it?
Let's start with the most basic meaning of take, to pick up or carry something, or to move something from one place to another.
Imagine you're at home with a friend. Hey Leo, can you take this book to the living room?
Sure. Do I need to take anything else?
Yeah, you can also take my phone and that glass of water. But be careful with the water.
Don't worry, I'll take good care of it.
Here, take this book to the living room means carry this book from here to the living room. It's physical. You move an object.
And take my phone is the same idea. Pick it up and move it. Simple.
Now, we also use take when we talk about transport, like taking a bus, taking a train, taking a taxi.
Listen to this small conversation. How do you go to work, Mia?
I usually take the bus. It's cheap and easy.
Really? I take the train. It's faster for me.
Do you ever take a taxi?
Only when I'm late or when it's raining a lot.
So take the bus, take the train, take a taxi, all mean use that kind of transport.
You don't say, I ride a bus to work in everyday English. You normally say, I take the bus to work.
Let's move to another use. Take with time. This is super common in English. We say, it takes time.
Take here means to need time. So when you say it takes 30 minutes, you mean you need 30 minutes.
Listen, Leo, how long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It usually takes me 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's impossible. It takes me 1 hour.
1 hour? What are you doing there?
I don't know. I just exist slowly.
When Mia says, it takes me 1 hour, she means I need 1 hour.
And when Leo says, it takes me 20 minutes, he's not trying to show off. Okay, maybe a little.
We also use this with activities, like homework or cooking. Mia, how long does it take to cook pasta?
It takes about 10 minutes in boiling water.
And how long does it take to eat pasta?
For me, maybe 3 minutes.
So the structure is, it takes plus time.
It takes 10 minutes. It takes 2 hours. It takes a long time.
You can also say, it doesn't take long. That means it's fast.
For example, learning this podcast episode doesn't take long, but it helps a lot.
Nice. Now let's look at take with the meaning of accept or receive.
For example, you can say, I'll take it in a store when you decide to buy something. Imagine we are in a clothes shop. What do you think of this jacket, Leo?
It looks good. Do you want to buy it?
Yeah, I think I'll take it.
Okay, let's go to the cashier.
I'll take it means I'll buy it. I accept it.
Another use is take an offer or take a job. Hey Mia, they offered me a job in London. Do you think I should take it?
Of course, take the job. It's a great opportunity.
Here, take the job means accept the job.
We also use take when we talk about school or studying. For example, you can take a class or take a test.
Listen, Mia, are you taking any English classes right now?
Yes, I'm taking an online English class every Tuesday.
Nice. Are you going to take the exam?
I don't know, I don't like tests, but maybe I'll take it next month.
So take a class means attend a class, and take an exam or take a test means do the test.
Now, a super important meaning. Take with food, drink, and medicine. We say take medicine, take a pill, but have a coffee is more common than take a coffee.
Yeah, take a coffee is possible in some places, but have a coffee sounds more natural.
But with medicine, we almost always say take. Leo, you look sick. Do you feel okay?
I have a headache. I think I need to take some medicine.
You should also take a vitamin. And take a day off.
Like take a day off. Good idea.
So take medicine is consume medicine. Take a vitamin, take a pill.
Now another big use, take a break and take a rest. These are very common.
When you are tired, you can say, I need to take a break or I need to take a rest. Leo, you've been studying all day. You should take a break.
I know, but I have so much to do.
If you never take a break, your brain will go on strike.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I'll take a short break.
So take a break means pause your activity for some time. You stop, you relax.
You can also take a vacation or take a holiday, depending on the country. Mia, when are you going to take a vacation?
Soon, I hope. I want to take a trip to the beach.
Take a trip is another good one. It just means go on a trip.
Okay, now let's look at take for photos and notes. We say take a photo and take notes.
For example, Mia, can you take a picture of me?
Sure, smile.
Wait, let me fix my hair first.
Too late, I'm taking the photo.
Here, take a picture means make a picture with a camera or phone.
And take notes is for writing down important information. Leo, this podcast is important. Are you taking notes?
In my brain.
That does not count.
So take notes means write things down so you don't forget.
Let's talk about take with showers, baths, and transportation again. Because this is a very natural English pattern. Take a shower, take a bath, take the bus, take a taxi.
For example, Mia, what do you do first in the morning?
I take a shower, then I take the bus to work.
I take a shower at night. In the morning, I just take coffee.
Yes, take coffee is possible when you mean have coffee. But again, have a coffee is more common.
But take a shower is the normal way to say it. We don't usually say do a shower.
Now, let's talk about take with opinions. This is very interesting. We say, what's your take? Or, that's my take.
Here, take means opinion or view. Mia, what's your take on social media?
My take is, it's fun, but it can take too much time.
That's a good take.
And notice something. I said, it can take too much time. Again, we see take with time, meaning use or need time.
For example, this game takes a lot of time. Learning a language takes patience. Watching this channel takes 10 minutes but gives you a lot of progress.
Nice advertisement there.
I try.
Okay, now take can also mean to react to something or to feel about something. We say take it easy, take it well, take it badly.
Listen, Mia, I lost my keys again.
Oh no, don't worry, Leo. Take it easy.
I can't take it easy. This is the third time this week.
Take it easy means relax, don't stress.
And how did he take it means how did he react? For example, Mia, I told my boss I'm leaving the company.
Really? How did he take it?
He took it well. He was very kind.
Here, took it well means he reacted in a good, calm way.
If he was very angry, you can say he took it badly.
Now let's talk about take with responsibility. You can say take responsibility, take control, take care of.
Take care of is very common. It means look after or be responsible for. For example, I have to work late tonight. Can you take care of my dog?
Sure, I can take care of him. Does he take a walk in the evening?
Yes, he takes a walk at 7 p.m. and he takes his food at 8.
This dog has a better schedule than me.
So, take care of means be responsible for someone or something. And take control is to become the leader in a situation.
Example. The meeting was a mess, so I decided to take control.
Good. Someone has to take control when things are crazy.
Now, a very common expression, take your time. This means don't hurry. Imagine Leo is very nervous. Okay, Leo, you can start when you're ready. Take your time.
Thanks. I just need a moment.
So if someone is doing something slowly and you want them to feel relaxed, you say, take your time.
On the other hand, if you want them to hurry, you can say, don't take too long.
Another nice phrase is take a look. It means look in a casual, friendly way. Hey Leo, take a look at this video.
Wow, your cat can dance?
He can also take a nap for 20 hours.
That sounds like my dream life.
So take a look means look, but it sounds very natural.
You can also say take a seat. That means sit down. For example, hi, welcome to Pop Off English. Please take a seat and relax.
Sit down is fine, but take a seat is a little more polite.
Now, one more meaning. Take as understand. We have the phrase I take it that, which means I understand that, or I guess that. For example, you're wearing a jacket. I take it that you're cold.
Yes, I'm freezing.
So I take it that you're cold means I understand from the situation that you're cold.
Another example. You didn't answer my message. I take it you were busy.
Yeah, I was in a meeting. Sorry.
So it's like a polite way to say I guess or I think based on information.
Now let's talk about take with from and to when we remove or bring something. Take something from is to remove it. Take something to is to carry it somewhere. For example, don't take my phone from my bag.
Relax, I'm just taking your charger.
Or,
Can you take this letter to the post office?
sure, I'll take it to the post office after work.
So take from is remove. Take to is bring something to a place.
Another very common phrase is take part in. It means participate. For example, are you going to take part in the school play, Mia?
No, but I'm going to take part in the school podcast.
Take part in is a little more formal than join, but you will hear it a lot.
Okay, now let's look at some short dialogues to review everything. Leo, how do you take care of your health?
I try to take a walk every day, take vitamins, and take a break from my phone sometimes.
How long does it take you to walk?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Do you take the bus to the park?
No, I take my bike. It doesn't take long.
Here we have take care of, take a walk, take vitamins, take a break, take you to walk, and take my bike. Many uses in one simple conversation.
Another one. Mia, can you take a look at my homework?
Sure, it looks good, but it will take some time to check everything.
No problem. Take your time.
Do you want to take this English class with me next month?
Yeah, I'll take the class and then take the exam.
Here we used take a look, take some time, take your time, take this class, and take the exam.
One more. Mia, what's your take on learning vocabulary?
My take is, don't try to take in too many words at one time. It takes time to remember.
So take it easy and take notes while you learn.
Take in here means absorb or mentally receive. It's a little more advanced, but it's good to know.
But if you are a beginner, focus first on more basic uses. Take the bus, take a shower, take medicine, take a break, take time, take a photo, take care of, take a seat, take a look.
You don't need to remember every expression today. English takes time. But now when you hear take, you will understand more.
Let's do a final mini dialogue that uses many different take expressions together. Mia, what do you usually do on your day off?
I take a long shower, then I take the bus to the city. I take a look at the shops, maybe take some photos, and sometimes I take a friend to a cafe.
That sounds nice. How long does it take you to get to the city?
It takes about 40 minutes by bus.
And do you take your work with you?
No way. On my day off, I take a break from everything. I just relax and take my time.
That's a good way to take care of yourself.
So many takes in a simple conversation.
And all of them are natural, everyday English.
Before we finish, think about your own life. How long does it take you to go to work or school? Do you take the bus, the train, or a car? When do you take a break? How do you take care of yourself?
When you answer these questions in your head, try to use take in English. Even simple sentences help a lot.
For example, I take the bus to school. It takes 20 minutes. I take a shower in the morning. I take a break at 3 p.m. I take care of my little brother. I take photos of my dog.
These are very simple but very powerful. This is real useful English.
If you want, you can write your own sentences with take in the comments. Use your real life. It's much easier to remember like that.
And of course, if this episode helped you understand take better, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with your friends.
When you share, you help other people take their English to the next level.
Nice take there.
Thank you. We hope today's episode didn't take too long for you and that it takes you one step forward in your English journey.
Thanks for listening to Pop Off English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.